Hey y'all, welcome back to Andrea Online. Today I am going to do a blowout on my hair. It's already deep conditioned and I have my oil mix already in it that doubles as a heat protectant. So I'm going to do the tension method on one side and then the actual using the comb attachment on the other side, just to do a comparison to see if there's a difference, if there's more volume on one side, if one actually just comes out straighter. And again, I just applied my oil mix and twisted up each section to keep everything from completely drying out. So on this side, I am going to use a comb attachment. So we're going to time that too and see not only just a difference in how it comes out, but also a difference in the time it takes. All right, this section is done. My roots are dry. And I'm gonna just bring everything over to this section and leave it. I don't want to twist it up because I think that would affect the results if I were to do that. I won't get a true comparison of each method, so I'm gonna try to hurry up with the other hair. I'm letting the air get through there. And I did finish the left side. You're right. I finished it in under 15 minutes, so that's pretty good. So it is really stretched out. I am going to finish it off with the comb attachment, but for the most part, to get it dry, it's just using this method here. Okay, got it stretched for the most part. Now I'm going to go in with the comb attachment. Alrighty, that is dry. Double check the top side. Almost to the finish line. Woo! Takes a minute, but it's a good way to see which is best. And I probably should have kept that separate. Forgot. I'm doing tissue method on this side. See, I'm trying to hurry up and get her done. stretched out. Maybe stretch some more. Okay, so both sides are dry. What do y'all think? I think this side is straighter than this side. Even though I use the comb attachment on this side, I think on this side, comb attachment was on this side, tension method on this side. I think this side came out straighter. So more volume on this side using the comb attachment only, and straighter on this side using the tension method to actually stretch the hair out first, and then the comb attachment to go through it. What do y'all think? Okay, finally done. It took about 30 minutes total. Again, just a comparison, I think on this side where I only use the comb attachment, it's not as straight. See, look at my ends. And then on this side where I use the tension method and the comb attachment, it seems straighter to me. It feels straighter as well. Thank you again for watching Andrea Online, and comment and let me know if you see a difference or which method you prefer to use, and also which other videos you may like to see from me in the future. So again, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you again for watching Andrea Online, and you have a great day. Bye.